Hello, this is my quick video review of the Mondaine Swiss watch desk clock. Uh, so this is the clock. It's pretty heavy, $65. There's a magnet, and I had to go to the, there's no battery included. I had to go to the watchsmith to have a battery installed. You can adjust it. This comes out and then it turns. I don't know if there's a way to remove this part or not, but this is a magnet right here. It's pretty solid, heavy duty, and it's very attractive, very pretty. It's cute. The packaging is really nice. It's really fancy, really ridiculous. It's magnetic. I mean, it says magnetic on there, and there's a cardboard. This is a really thick cardboard piece, and it's really clever how they designed this. This doesn't feel cheap at all. This packaging, it feels like fabric. I mean, it looks like it's made out of cardboard or plastic, but it doesn't feel like cardboard and it doesn't feel like plastic. It feels really high end. This foam here, it feels like a thick, substantial foam. So, yeah, this is like really, really nice. And I guess it's good to know that the $65 I paid for this thing went to such nice packaging. But I kind of wish they didn't put such fancy packaging, because I'd rather have a little crappier packaging and take a few dollars off the clock, because I don't really plan on keeping this package. So far, this thing has kept accurate time. It's very quiet. If I put this right next to my ear, I can hear the ticking. It's more like a watch. I mean, I could probably put this on my wrist. If I could find a band, I could make a watch out of it. But anyway, I bought this for work. A lot of so yeah. I mean, this is going to be great. I think this is a solidly built watch. Hopefully, it'll last me for years and years and years. It's very attractive, easy to read, and stylish, and I really like it. Yeah. Okay, that's it for my review.